Hello everyone, welcome to the Manthan series of ABM. In Manthan series, you know now, we are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies of all the compulsory subjects of CIB, all of them. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all of them. So watch the series till the end, completely watch the series. Don't miss even a single lecture because we are covering all the previous year questions, objective, everything. Okay, objectives, case studies. Share it with your friends, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do this first. Click on the bell icon. Very important pattern. Okay, let's move on. Today I'll be covering working capital management, module C. I'll be mainly covering numericals, case studies, because case studies are asked too many in module C also, working capital also. In module A, obviously they are there, I have covered it. Module C, working capital numericals, if you understand, then it's easy. If you don't understand, it's very difficult. So that's why follow the video till the end and you'll enjoy all the case studies. You'll definitely enjoy. Okay, let's start. If a company has current assets of 3 lakh and current liabilities of 1,50,000, so now we have various questions. Its gross working capital is, now this I need the answer from you. Its gross working capital is, what is the gross working capital for the company? Firstly, what is gross working capital? What is gross working capital? See, suppose if I show you over here, let's say this is my balance sheet. Okay, this is my balance sheet. Current assets, current liabilities, fixed assets, fixed liabilities. Okay, or long-term liabilities we call it. What is your gross working capital? Gross working capital is complete current assets. All the current assets together are called as gross working capital. Thumb rule. Some of them here and there we minus it. That's okay. But thumb rule is all gross working capital means all current assets. So here, what is the current asset? Simple, given. So it is current assets, 3 lakhs. Simple, so simple. Next, its net working capital is. Now this, let me get it from you first. Net working capital is. Yes, net working capital. What do you mean by net working capital? What do you mean by net working capital? Net working capital means the difference between current assets and current liabilities, these two. So it is current asset minus current liabilities, or it is also called as working capital gap. Working capital gap. So here it will be what? 3 lakh minus 1,50,000. So it is 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs. Simple. 1.5 lakhs. Okay. Cash credit to be given by the bank, margin of 25% is, how much CC will be given to the bank, to the customer with the margin of 25%? How much? Yes. How is CC given? On what basis is CC given? General is here. There can be various rules. There is Tandon committee, there is Naik committee, there are various methods. There is also a separate rule for this services. That is all there. But thumb rule is what? It is always, this margin is given as 25%. So subtract that margin. That minus this gap. Okay, this gap actually is given on operating cycle. But thumb rule is whatever is a gap, into that subtract the margin. So 1.5 lakhs into 75%. 75%. So get the answer now, roughly. Means thumb rule wise I am talking. So what is the answer? 1.5 lakhs into 0.75. So that is equal to 150 into 0.75. So it is 1,12,500 roughly. See, I don't say exactly this will be the CC, but thumb rule is this: 1,12,500 rupees. Okay, so this much will be the CC. What is the current ratio? Current ratio for the company is, current ratio is, what is the formula for current ratio? Current ratio means current assets upon current liabilities. Current assets upon current liabilities. So that is equal to, current assets is what? 3 lakh. 3 lakh upon current liabilities, 1.5 lakh. So that is equal to 2. Current ratio is current assets upon current liabilities. So that is equal to 2 over here. Okay. Two ratios are very important. One is liquidity ratio, liquid ratio, and second is current ratio. Okay. Liquid ratio means liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets upon current liabilities. Your liquid assets are not given. So forget it. Okay. Only current ratio. Got it? Simple. Next one. Cash conversion cycle equals to. Now, what is this cash conversion cycle? The period in which my inventory gets converted into cash means what? What do you mean by this? It means that inventory, I'll purchase the inventory first. So my money is locked over here. Then I'll manufacture it, right? Manufacture, and then I will sell it. Then there is it's sold in debtors, udhari, credit. So afterwards I will get the payment. So this whole cycle, this full cycle is known as cash conversion cycle. Cash conversion cycle. What is the other name to this cash conversion cycle? Other name. It is also called as operating cycle, working capital cycle, any name. Many banks have many names, many books have many names. Logic remains same. Ultimately, it is operating cycle. The time required for my inventory to get converted into the cash. Okay. Again, this cash, whatever I receive, I'll use it for the next inventory, isn't it? It goes on and on and on. And wherever there is a gap in this, their bank fits in under the CC. So now credit conversion cycle equals to days inventory outstanding, means whatever is my inventory outstanding, plus days sales outstanding, whatever are my sales outstanding. Sales outstanding means debtors, okay, minus days payment outstanding. Okay, now these names, days inventory outstanding, sales outstanding, it is, you can have a simple name to this, that is stock plus, what will this be called as? Days sales outstanding. Simple name to this is stock plus debtors minus, what is this? Days payment outstanding. What is it called as? Yes, creditors, isn't it? Creditors. So the formula is cash conversion cycle equals to stock plus debtors minus creditors, or stock, again see this, it is same, days inventory outstanding, DIO, minus days sales outstanding. Again, so I'll just call the short names now. Stock minus debtors minus creditors, or stock plus debtors plus creditors, or stock minus debtors plus creditors. What is it? What is it? Yes? Think. This formula is basic formula for any working capital gap and operating cycle. So it is, yes, stock plus debtors minus creditors, isn't it? So the answer will be A over here, A. Stock plus debtors minus creditors. Okay, this is basically the operating cycle. Generally, operating cycle includes many more things. But see here, you always have to be fast. Operating cycle will include all these things: inventory, manufacturing time, manufacturing time, debtor time, and then whatever minus creditor time. So basically what are you doing? Inventory, manufacturing. Inventory plus manufacturing means what? Stock only. Debtor time means what? Debtors. Minus creditor time means what? Creditors. That's it. Isn't it? Next. If a company has net sales of 5 lakhs and an average working capital of 70,000, the working capital turnover ratio is WC turnover ratio. What do you call it as WC turnover? What is it? WC turnover. Formula, very important formula. Very simple but very important. You must have this formula very clear in your mind. Who can give me? Let me see in the comment section. Who can give me the formula? Who can give me the formula? So WC turnover means, see this WC turnover, WC, I'll just write TO, okay, equals to your sales upon WC, sales upon working capital. Simple. Okay, sales upon working capital means what? It means that in this much sales, how much of my working capital gets refurbished, moving. So that is equal to 5 lakh upon 70,000, 0.7 lakhs. Okay. So divide this, get the answer. 5 lakh upon 70,000. Do it, everyone. It is, what is it? It is 7 point, let me see, 7.14. Okay. So it means that my sales is 7.14 times my working capital. My sales is 7.414 times my working capital. What does it mean? It means in a sale of 5 lakhs means my total sale for year, let's say month, whatever we say. In my total sale of 5 lakhs, I can have these many cycles of my working capital. So it means that, see, understand, not only answer is important, understanding is important. It means that I am having a huge profit margin. Simple, isn't it? Sale 5 lakhs and my working capital is only 0.7 lakhs. So I am having a huge profit margin in the product, isn't it? A company has an inventory period, means days inventory outstanding of 45 days, an account receivable period, days sales outstanding of 15 days, and accounts payable period, means days payable outstanding of 30 days. Calculate the working capital cycle. Just now we saw the formula. Based on this formula, you have to find the answer. Yeah, give me fast. Yes. What is it? See, I will not only give you the answer. This answer is very simple for you. Okay, this answer is very simple for you. So I will not only give you the answer, I will give you something else also. What? Say this. Firstly, understand the answer is what? Stock plus debtors minus creditors, right? Stock plus debtors minus creditors. So what is it? Days, all these days. So 45 days plus Debtor is what? Debtor 15 days minus what is this? Creditor 30 days. So solve this. 45 plus 15 is 60. 60 minus 30 is 30. So 30 days is my working capital cycle. Okay, 30 days is my working capital cycle. So what does it mean? What does it mean? It means that total where I have a cash crunch, I may have a cash crunch. So that is 30 days. I have to check for if I am the bank and this customer is having 30 days as an operating cycle. So it means that I'll always check. This is his operating cycle and what is his buying behavior. Based on that, buying behavior and operating cycle, I'll give him the CC, cash credit. Okay. So if there is a gap in this operating cycle, this much time is required for converting the this inventory into cash. Okay. But if he has to make some purchase in between, then what do? In that case, you have to use this. You have to find a gap as such. Okay. Let me show you one example on gap only. Okay. So now give me one answer. I'll add one question over here. Okay. I'll add one question. Okay. Suppose if my inventory turnover, inventory or you call it inventory or stock turnover ratio equals to, let's say, 4, and my debtor turnover ratio equals to, let's say, 2. Now based on this much information, can you tell me, will the customer require CC? Will the customer require CC? I don't want the amount. Okay. Require CC. And for how many days? How many days? Will the customer require the CC and for how many days? Very tricky question. Very easy, but very tricky. It's really a trick to solve this question. Really. Inventory turnover ratio, you need to understand the basics of these ratios. Only then you can solve this. Okay. Let me see. First, the answer from your side. Does this customer need the CC? See, let me explain you. Suppose if this is 1 year, 12 months, we'll consider this as 12 months. 12 months, 1 year. Inventory turnover ratio is 4. What does it mean? It means that in 1 year, my inventory is getting rolled on 4 times. 4 times means what? 4 times. So, right, inventory. Every inventory is getting rolled on after how many months? Every how many months? 3 months. So, inventory I have to purchase. See, this is basically purchase. I have to purchase. Rolled means what? I am purchasing a new inventory, right? So, I am purchasing the inventory every 3 months. That's why I said you need to understand, not only rectifying the formulae are not important. You need to understand the meaning of these. So, this is basically in 3 months you are purchasing this inventory. Okay. Now, what is debtor turnover? 2. So, what does it mean? In 1 year, my debtors are getting rolled over 2 times. 2 times. It means what? They will pay me, if this is 12 months, so they will pay me after 6 months over here. Debtors pay. They will pay me after 6 months over here. And second, again 6 months over here. Debtor will pay. Right? So what does this mean now? Here I am getting the payment after 6 months, and here I have to pay after 3 months if I have to get a discount, because see, if somebody pays in cash, then only that person gets a discount. So I am getting paid after 6 months and I am paying after 3 months. So do I require the CC now? I require. And for what period? This gap. This gap. So my CC is required for 3 months. I said I don't want the amount, because amount you can find out. So the CC is required for 3 months. Okay. This is a tricky question. Really tricky question. Okay. So this is how you will be solving the numericals. It's not that simple. Huh? Kindly note. So everyone, now the new batches of Adda 24/7 have just started. Okay, just started. Join the new batches ASAP. Okay, join the new batches right now. How to join this? Go to Adda 24/7. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Directly also you will get it over here. Okay, but simple way, go to JAIIB and CIB. Always download the app first through the Android as well as iPhone. Download it first. Once you download it, you will get 1% extra. So go to JAIIB and CIB. Click on CIB December. See this Officers Pro batch. Just now it has started. Ebooks, mock test, online live classes, recorded sessions. Okay, everything you are getting. Plus all these. Plus you are getting AI assistant, artificial intelligence assistant. Okay, plus many other features are there. Go to this. Okay, but how to purchase? See this. Click on buy now and never forget the code Y432. Okay. See this, 80% discount plus 1% extra, 81%. Net 81% discount you are getting. 81% discount plus, okay, all these AI assistant, ebooks, mock tests. Mock tests are to the level of chapter wise as well as to the level of full length also. You can purchase the Mahapack also. See this, increment Mahapack, CIB increment Mahapack, one of the best Mahapacks. Again say this, JAIIB CIB, CIB December, say this, 2 Mahapacks are there. CIB 2.0 Mahapack, and this is in increment. This is the best one. In increment Mahapack, you get the physical books as well as e-books, both of them. Physical also, e also. Okay. Plus, right now you are getting double validity, plus 81% discount, as told you earlier. That is there. Plus e-books. Plus 15 plus batches per subject. Huge it is, huge. Okay. So join this ASAP, join the Mahapack ASAP. Okay.